What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with JDM Muscle, and this video is a little bit different. I've had a few people ask me what's going on with all the cars. The garage is full. Are you doing anything? Are you going to fix any of your shit, or are you just going to leave it broken? So the honest truth is, let's just start right at the beginning. The Subaru, the 05 WRX STI. Just got a few little things to button up on it. Just need to finish or fix a back little panel. Otherwise, this thing, I honestly think either I'm going to sell it to purchase a truck and trailer so I can tow the race cars, or I'm going to keep it and probably do a big hood dump out of it and just run it the way it is and just kind of make it stupid loud. I guess from there we've got the Z. So the 350Z, I need to do a couple little things. I'll flip the camera around. All right, so the Z, I have to pull the driver's seat out, and after I pull the driver's seat out, I need to adjust it. I need to pull it back about 2 inches. It is welded in, so I need to pull it back about 2 inches so it's easier for me to reach the wheel. The wheel is just way too close, and it's honestly kind of dangerous. I need to fix the camber on the front wheels on the Z, and then I want to repaint a bunch of the stuff, as well as one of the passenger doors is pretty dented in, so I do want to fix all the dents on the passenger door on the Z. And then, like I said, I'm going to repaint a lot of the white that's on the Z, and it's going to go to black. So these are all going to be black, and then I'm going to just do some black instead of the white. The Merc is pretty much done. I do have a tuner in the garage. Just need to put the tune on it. That'll put it to 530 horsepower. And then, of course, we've got the S2000. That is waiting for a full rebuild. The motor is just about ready to come out. I just need to put some time into getting into the garage and just buckling it out. Otherwise, everything is just about unhooked. I need to unhook a few more things inside the car and then a few things underneath, as well as the motor mounts, and that should be ready to pull the motor out of the S2000. So S2000 is close. Of course, I don't know if that's going to get ran at all this year. The Benz is ready to come out for summer. Just need to put the tune on it. 350Z has a couple hours of work, and then that'll be ready to drift. And the STI, I can start right now and drive as well. So guys, that is a quick rundown of my garage and what I have going on. I know everybody's always asking, are you going to fix your stuff? And I really am going to. It's just a lot going on, guys. Having 4 sports cars that you play with at one time is a lot. So until next time, peace out. Always follow, comment, like, subscribe, please. It would really help me out. And let me know maybe where you'd like to see the cars go next from here. So peace out.